Hello, everyone. Have you been craving the desire to explore remarkable, impeccable, and enriched history? Look no further, as I have arranged your dream getaway that is awaiting for your arrival. I present to you Destination Edinburgh, Scotland, prepared by yours truly, Gilberto Franco Jr. For the first day's festivities, you'll be spending the day sky high flying from Detroit, Michigan to Chicago, Illinois. From Chicago, Illinois to Brussels, Germany, and partially into the second day's extravaganza as you fly from Brussels, Germany to Edinburgh, Scotland. Once you have exited the airport, you will then head over to Hotel Indigo, your luxurious hotel that entails a breakfast buffet, a pool, and breathtaking views of Edinburgh. Then, when you have stored your luggage and freshened up, you will then board the hop on, hop off bus tour that will showcase the city of Edinburgh, arousing your interest to exploring more of what your journey entails. As we kick off the third day's adventures with an award winning cycle tour around the city of Edinburgh, this will make you feel as if you were cycling through an illusion, which is exactly why Chimera Obscura and World of Illusions tour precedes the cycle tour, as they have an extensive amount of different illusions to make you wow yourself. On the fourth day's exploration, you'll visit Loch Ness, Glencoe, and the Highlands Small Group Tour, where you get the opportunity to meet Nessie, the Loch Ness Monster, and cruise around in a Mercedes minivan, viewing the superb scenery that will make you fall in love with the Highlands' rolling hills and stunning ridges. Preparing for the fifth day's journey has us traveling back to the Scottish Highlands via the Hogwarts Express Day Tour, where you get the chance to see where the origin of the famous series Harry Potter originated from. Entering the 6 days excursion, the Edinburgh Shore Excursion City Highlights Tour that will go more in depth about the history and the evolution of Edinburgh. Which brings us to the 7th day's fiesta, a day trip to Loch Lomond and Trossachs National Park, viewing Scotland's largest lake, Loch Lomond, and where you have the chance to visit the historic town of Stirling. And finally, the 8th day's departure is departing from Edinburgh, Scotland, to Toronto, Canada, and then departing from Toronto, Canada, to Detroit, Michigan. And finally, you arrive home. And now you're probably wondering how much something like this costs. So here's a cost breakdown analysis I prepared. On the left, you see a daily breakdown, and starting from almost $1,600 for day one, as that includes most of your airfare expenses. And then on the right, we have a category breakdown, as you can see, by transportation, hotel, meals, expeditions, and then an admin fee. Here is my references cited. This is where I got all the information from. I also wanted to show you a brochure that I have created for this trip. And here it goes more in depth from your daily activities, and the currency conversion rate is included in there for you. I have the tour rates. Yep, and here's our 3 packages. Consist of casual, intermediate, and advanced. So the casual does not include any excursions. It's just airfare, hotel, and meals included. For the intermediate, we're going to take off the 3 daily tours. and that brings you to a total of around $5,000. And our advance is an all-inclusive tour, which includes everything: hotel, meals, entrance fees, and so on and so forth. Here I have my cost breakdown analysis again, but it's more in depth from your daily expenses, broken down by category totals. And that has concluded this presentation.